Hi y'all, thank y'all for joining me today. I just wanted to do a really quick video because people always are asking me for gift ideas. Um, and I generally always start with questions about the person that they're giving the gift to. It is super cliche for people to say it's the thought that counts, but it really is the gold standard when it comes to giving somebody a gift, to just be intentional and give them a gift that they're going to, one, use and appreciate, but also one that's thoughtful. So I thought that I would share with you all a housewarming gift that I'm giving to a friend. And yeah, we're just going to dive right in. So a little bit about this person. I know that he's in a fraternity, and so my first thought was to go with his fraternity colors, but then I was just like, I don't know, maybe his house isn't that way. I haven't been to his house yet, and this is a housewarming gift. And so I was just like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see your house, and I kept like prodding him, saying things like, send me pictures. I want to see pictures. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I want to see pictures. And so finally I got pictures, and I decided to gift something that would fit into his family room setting. And I'm glad that I asked for those pictures, because if I had chosen the colors of his fraternity, they do not match the color of his family room. And so I don't know where he would have put those things, if anywhere, if I had gotten those things. So I decided to give him a little housewarming gift that would fit into his living room. His last name starts with an R, so I'm starting off with this monogrammed tray. Oh, by the way, so he's a manly man, but he's also getting ready to get married. So I try to get something that, is him, but that she can put her touch on too as well. So this was the start. This was the base. I found this at Kirkland's, only because I didn't have time to make it. I do like customized branded boards and things on my own with my laser, but we were not going to go to this event, and then at the last minute we decided to, so I went ahead and bought that. And the exciting thing is I got this at Kirkland's, and it was also only $15. If you know me, then you know I love a throw blanket. If you come to my house, I have throw blankets in every room, in every color. Oh my God. Well, not throw blankets of every color in every room, but I have throw blankets in every color, and then I have sorted them to fit in the room where they match. But I love a good soft. I'm a sucker for a good throw blanket. I feel like it's a nice gift to give people. It's not too overly personal, but at the same time, it's just a nice gift. My feet are always cold. I'm always cold, so I love a good throw blanket, and it's something that even if it's not being used, it can be decoration or whatever. So again, to fit into his family room, look at his color scheme. There is blue and white, and so I got this. Kirkland's always has a nice soft throw blanket on sale for $10. So added this in there. Everybody likes smell good when they're going into visit somebody's house, or when you're moving into your own space. One of the things you try to do to make it your own is to bring in the scents that are important to you. So I wanted to go with something that was blue because it would match the rest of the gift, but also this smells really good. It's a blueberry cheesecake reed diffuser. I was going to do a candle, but I was just like, I don't know, let me do this instead. So hope that he likes it. Put that in there. And then I thought it would be cute, these napkins that you can put in like a guest bathroom. I thought they were cute. They're humorous, but they're also subtle. Like, if you're a guest, don't overstay your welcome. But he knows me, so he knows that I'm like that. So I thought that this was really cute. I was going to add that in there. And the basket and the napkins, I think the basket was like $12 and the napkins are $8. So all in all, this is the gift. Oh, I have these incense in the store, and they say gratitude on there. And again, because this is a housewarming gift, and I'm a person that I'm always saying, we have got to learn to be grateful for everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, the in between. And so I'm going to throw these in there as well. So this is his housewarming gift. Again, right at $50. It didn't break the bank. And it's personal enough, without being overly personal. So that's my gift idea. Please let me know some of the good housewarming gifts that you've given in the comments, and I'm going to get this wrapped.